Problem number 32. The price of a train ticket from Orlando to Atlanta is normally $118. However, the train company is offering a 75% discount to children under the age of 16. What is the sales price of a ticket from Orlando to Atlanta for somebody who is under age 16? We have multiple ways of doing this. I'm going to continue to follow R is over of equals percent over 100. So 75% of 118 will tell me exactly how much the discount is. So I would cross multiply 118 times 75 is 8850 equals 100x. So my x equals $88.50. Now remember, this was the amount of the discount, so I need to subtract that from the original $118. So the cost for a child under the age of 16 would be $29.50. Problem number 33. While training for the Tour de France, Jean-Luc rode 72 kilometers on his bike. In just 4 hours, find the unit rate and show your work. Well, the unit rate would be the miles or kilometers per hour. Remember, when we drive on the road, we see road signs that are miles per hour, our distance over our time. So 72 kilometers per 4 hours. Now remember, unit rate implies that I have a 1 in my denominator. I do not yet have a 1 in my denominator, but if I divide 72 by 4, I get 18 kilometers per 1 hour. That would be my equivalent unit rate. Number 34. Greg bought 5 new sweatshirts at one store for a total of $63. His younger brother, Zachary, bought 4 sweatshirts at a different store and paid $54. Explain the meaning of the unit rate and give the unit rate for each boy. Well, the meaning of the unit rate, for those of you who are actually watching the video, is that the unit rate would tell us how much he paid per sweatshirt. So, for Greg, he paid $63 for 5 sweatshirts. Which means, when I divide that, I determine that he pays $12.60 per sweatshirt. Well, that's Greg. Let's figure out how his brother Zachary fared. $54 per 4 sweatshirts. $54 divided by 4 gives me 13.5, or $13.50 per 1 sweatshirt. Which one's the better buy? Well, is it better to pay $12.60 for 1 shirt or $13.50 for 1 shirt? Obviously, it's better to pay $12.50 for 1 shirt. So Greg had the better buy. Problem number 35. Fred bought a $40 shirt on a tax-free holiday and has a coupon to get a 20% off. So I want to determine what 20% of 40 is. 40 will go in my of position. 20 in my percent over 100. 40 times 20 is 800 equals 100x. So x equals 8. Remember that 8 is the amount of the 20% off. So 40 minus 8 would make Fred's shirt $32. Well, we're halfway there. Now we need to find out how much Ben paid for his shirt. It was $28.32, but he has to pay an 11% tax. So let's figure out what 11% of $28.32 is. That would be $28.32 times 11. 311.52 equals 100x. So my x equals 31.15. Sorry, $3.11, which would round up to 312. Helps if I move that decimal over 2 places when dividing by 100. $3.12. So remember that Fred paid $28.32 for the shirt, and now he is also paying $3.12 in tax. And so his total price for the shirt is $31.44. So who paid less? Ben paid less with his $31.44 shirt.